What up, what up? We're back with another episode of Wake Up with Wops. Just came off the long weekend, Labor Day weekend, and now it's Tuesday. Market is open and we are dumping. You can see here Dow falls 300 points to kick off September on tariff worries, rising bond yields. Take a look at this. Treasury yields jump on prospect of US having to refund tariff money. 30-year yield tops 4.97%. So this is making the market pull back. Let's take a look at it right now, the S&P. This actually made me get stopped out of some stocks. We're going to go over it now. So it's looking like we're bouncing back a little bit. Some buyers are stepping in, but we did gap down. We were hoping to break out and we kind of broke down, but it's okay. We have the 50 SMA too. If it pulls back more to the 50 SMA, I think it would still be a healthy pullback. Big tech on the 50 SMA exactly. Might be a good time to start getting into some tech plays so you have good risk to reward because there's room to keep going up. Let's take a look at IWM, which is the 2000 Russell. You can see bouncing off the 90 EMA quite well. Looks pretty well for your risk on stocks. Now let's go over some stocks that I personally got stopped out on. Netflix bounced right off my stop right here. I had it at 1183. Bounced right off, but now it's looking pretty good. It needs to remount the 90 EMA and it continue going up. I'll look for that. And then the 50 SMA, the yellow line at 1229. I still like Netflix. Who doesn't? So I'm having it on my watch. Shopify, I did get stopped out. You can see here, bounced right off my stop again. It's been volatile. Let's look at I'm going to show you guys the VIX. See, up 12%. Whenever the VIX is up 12%, that means the market is dumping. And then when it's down, it's reversed. The market is pumping. All right, so back to the swings. I got stopped out of Shop, bounced right at the bottom. And then Labu, I took profits actually. I entered around here on the breakout. We talked about it on the channel. Held it for a while, went negative, bounced off the 50 SMA, and then I took some profits around 76 today. So that was a good profit taking, and then I got stopped out of those two stocks. We're looking right now to add maybe Ulta. You can see here on Friday had a sell-off, but today fully recovered. So the market's pulling back and Ulta's up 7%. So it's doing strong. I'm really liking it. You could probably enter into today, and then you have the 90 EMA right there for support. The 20 SMA too. Continue going higher for Ulta. I'm liking that. We traded that earlier in the year. Roblox, I'm liking as well. The lawsuit news off the 50 SMA. Looking like it's going to go to all-time high, and then you can anticipate even holding longer. I actually played Roblox this past weekend with my nieces, and they have thousands of games to choose from. I'm pretty bullish on this. I think kids are always going to be playing this Roblox. Looking at Hood, needs to remount the 50 SMA, but it's looking pretty good. Finding support at the prior resistance level. AMD, you know we love AMD on the channel. Bouncing off the 50 SMA, you could probably enter into today, put the stop a little bit looser, and then hopefully we can continue going up for AMD. AEHR, I'm liking a lot. You can see here breaking out of a bottom range right here. Some news gapped up here. Now it's pulling back to the 9 EMA showing support. I'm really looking to enter into this or Ulta today, or maybe Roblox. But I think I'm leaning towards AEHR. What else? We have AVGO, semiconductors, bouncing off the 50 SMA. It's looking pretty well. And then lastly, I have Nail on my watch list. Home building ETF. We know we like the home building sector coming out of a bottom formation, so we can enter into Nail and then hopefully hold this for a little bit longer. Interest rates drop on September. Hopefully Powell drops them, and then that'll be good for home building stocks.